it's kind of at the start of the Stewart Falls. You're here with Outdoors with Greg, and I have a few guests that'll be here today that will talk about and give you their take of the hike, and I'll record some of the hike. So follow along. It's pretty funny, someone left their Skechers. So it says that this trail, shit. I'll be right back.
You're allowed to go horse riding on trails?
Say hi.
Hi.
Yo.
Why are you allowed to go?
Dude, you could ride a horse up this.
You could go on an ATV or
Bud, we
bike.
should have brought the horse.
Yeah, bud.
Yeah.
Hello. How's school been, Emma?
Wow. How come you like that? Telling them to stop, and they're like, no, let's just keep going.
This is super cool with the tree.
They just kept going. Bud? No. I don't know. We take a turn, then half of us won't know where to go. Then we'll be like, why did they turn? I don't know. Then we'll just get wrecked. And half of us will be going in a different direction. So. I don't think Brian didn't understand the thing about stopping. And not because you're exhausted. Because you have to wait.
Hey.
Told you guys to wait. They planted one tree and then they.
No, it's literally a 4. The other tree.
It's a what?
It's a 4.
What do you mean it's a 4?
It's a number 4.
Yeah, see?
How do you know? What? Where?
4.
Got Chase and Emma here resting.
How dare you? I'm not resting. I'm sitting down. There's a difference.
Okay.
And And Nate and Brian just went for a quick, with air quotes, jog. They just ran and booked it. They literally did that. Oh, okay, see you, Emma. Have a fun time. Have fun with the bears.
Oh, we're going into the shore. One time, you know, what's that mean? And he'll put it down after he's like, oh, I broke a leg or whatever. That's the reason why they should be aware of what the ratings are.
Yeah. You remember the ski lift that we did at night to watch the stars?
Yeah.
That's it right there on the top of that hill. I feel like
Yeah. We're hiking to that?
What?
We're hiking to that, Brian? Am I gonna hike back?
That's the ride the lift up? On the one website. Yeah, you can start down there and ride the way to lift up Parkway and then you hike over to it.
Oh, so it cuts like the whole trail up?
Yeah, but you gotta miss what's beautiful view.
And why did you watch that now? 1.2? Oh, you're actually at 105? Unless you go the whole time, so you don't own yourself. Take your time.
This is similar to the Webster. I don't know. I don't think that's necessarily what we're doing.
This is Ridge Bridge.
I can hear, oh, straight ahead.
Hey, we can see the one.
Brian's going under it. That's why he didn't bring water shoes.
No way, I brought water shoes and I brought my hiking towel.
And we said hiking cover.
Because it's like small, it's like thin, so it folds up very small.
But this was a little that would be like what would be drivable.
Yeah. Just a bit too many rocks too.
I wasn't in a big hurry.
I'm not hurrying. I'm in my feet.
It's more important you don't fall.
You're not rushing because you already hurt yourself once.
Just make sure you Snapchat Kristen.
Good forehead is really hot. You can tell if it's just because I'm hot or if I'm too much sun.
It's both.
This is gonna be long uphill on the way out.
Yeah.
This is why it's only 646.
Yeah.
We're down it.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, we're back down to 6,800. Yeah. 60 to 45.
Okay, here comes.
Optimal feet placement.
Need help, bud?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Just my leg.
He made it like
My
much
non-grip
bigger
shoes don't help.
than it was.
I need water.
It's gonna be hard for my dad to come down here with Eli.
That's where we're gonna record him.
Yeah.
No pressure, but we're recording you. Come.
Hey, can I get past?
Go ahead.
I think it might be easier to go this way because this is like really slidey. I'll just watch out. We'll just go in here.
Sorry.
That looked much more difficult.
I think we're going down around to the left.
I think you go right here.
Yeah, I think we're going that way.
I just left the class of the songs. Just make this work. Yeah, this is why I don't like heights. But you want me to take some right for it? Yeah. You want my full body? Yeah.
like super high pressure.
How cold is the water?
It's just a little cold. It's just a little cold.
It's a little cold, not a lot.
It's not too cold. And it's not like beating on you like donut was. Yeah. It's just pretty like.
All right, that concludes our trip on the hike.
Well, our trip was concluded 13 minutes ago.
All right, so
Because you ran
Nate
half of it.
and Brian
Oh, you
finished
moved.
ahead of us, and
Move.
You
Yeah.
guys took too
No.
long.
so on my watch,
Move.
Is it there?
No. Move.
Mine's not there.
let's see,
Move.
Oh, there's a spot.
I have 3 hours 35 minutes because we sat up there for a while. 3.85 miles walked. Average pace 55 minutes 49 seconds a mile. 981 calories burned. Oh no, 1,495 total. Elevation gain 766 feet. So we started at 63 feet, went up to 72.15. All right, Brian, let's hear what you have to say on your watch.
I'm missing some of my stats because I don't have my phone, but we're at like 3 hours and 50 minutes. Mine says we're at 4.1 miles. Our average pace was like a 56-minute mile, which is pretty terrible, but average heart rate was 136 and a maximum heart rate of 182.
Awesome. All right, well, please like and subscribe and follow us for more hikes
Yeah.
and more stuff outdoors.
Yeah.